Jessica Brandl, and I am the guest artist demonstrator for the Boneyard Show and collection. And I just went through and demonstrated my process and talked about the reasons, but also the underlying feeling of what it's like to be a ceramic artist. When asked to kind of select which would be my favorite, I actually don't focus on one piece in this particular collection, Boneyard objects, because as I was explaining it to students, these objects are like visiting a photo album to me, because whether it's on a really personal level or as like extended family, I connect to anybody that makes in clay. I feel like I share that kind of lineage and continuity. And so I look around and I'm not seeing just an object, but I'm seeing the way someone's hands and their body move, and I'm envisioning that person, because I have been very fortunate and I have been in the ceramics field for nearly 20 years, kind of continuous like growth and connections. And although I'm not in that same space or geography or even on that same continent, to remember that person each time I pick up an object that I have either traded or made with them, and that is the biggest significance of a boneyard to me.